If ipconfig tells you how your system is configured and netstash shows live activity, port scanners show the attack surface the open doors attackers can use. Today we'll explain port scanners, how to use Nmap, and what the results mean for your security. What are port scanners? A port scanner is a tool that probes a target host or network to discover open ports and the services listening on them. Every service web, mail, file transfer uses a port. An open port means something is listening and potentially reachable. Why they matter? Port scanners reveal exposed services and misconfigurations so you can fix them. They are used by administrators for hardening systems and by attackers to find weak points. That's why defensive teams should scan first to know what an attacker would find. Common Nmap commands. Here are commonly used Nmap commands you should know. Nmap is less than IP is greater than scans the target for open ports. Nmap SV is less than IP is greater than probes open ports to identify the service and version. Nmap O is less than IP is greater than attempts to detect the target's operating system. Nmap A is less than IP is greater than an aggressive scan that combines service detection, OS detection, and trace route. Interpreting results, short examples. When Nmap finds an open port, it reports the port number, the protocol TCP divided by UDP, and often the service name. For example, 21 divided by TCP open FTP means an FTP service is running on port 21. Using SV might show VSFT PD3, which helps you check whether that service is outdated or vulnerable. Real world example. Imagine you manage company servers and run Nmap the 10th of October 2010 to 5. The scan shows 21 divided by TCP open FTP. If nobody uses FTP, that's unnecessary exposure, close the service, block the port, or isolate it. That single step reduces the attack surface. Ethics and authorization. Important. Only scan systems you own or are authorized to test. Unauthorized scanning can be illegal and will get you into trouble. Port scanners like Nmap are essential defensive tools when used responsibly. Scan, inventory, and close unnecessary ports, then repeat. If you want, I'll make a follow-up deep dive showing live Nmap demos and how to interpret tricky output. Like, subscribe, and comment what target you want me to demo safely in the next video.